With a UP and NS merger on the horizon, learn your options if you are asked to leave the railroad. Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, right? So in the news, we've been talking about the UP and NS merger. It's all the rage, I guess. And we don't know the timelines of when this merger will actually happen or if it even will happen. But, more than likely it will probably happen. So with any merger, not specific to UP-NS, but whenever there's a merger, there's always job cuts with it, right? I mean, I don't know of any merger that's ever happened where they added jobs. So I would expect and I would plan for some job cuts there, right? Efficiencies, as they call them. So let's just talk about what a railroader should be thinking about if they happen to be on that end of receiving a job cut from most likely probably NS, right? Because at the end of the day, UP and NS are merging, or UP is taking over NS. So UP will probably be calling the shots. So this might be more affected to those NS employees. So, if you stay in the railroad industry, so even if you leave and take another job with another railroad, you stay in the industry, right? No impact on your railroad retirement. You keep your current connection. Your tier 1, tier 2 continues to keep building. You keep building up that service and age annuity, right? So if you stay in the railroad industry, nothing will be impacting on your railroad retirement. Now, the interesting part is now if you leave the industry, that's where the options and terms come into play here. So if you leave your industry, if you have 25 years and you're involuntarily terminated and not offered another position inside the railroad, you will have a deemed current connection. So that means that's with 25 years of service. So that means you've got your 25 years, you've been terminated, didn't offer you another position. So if you say, okay, well, I'm going to go work someplace else outside the railroad, doesn't matter. You will still have your current connection, which, as we know, is very important for that survivor annuity. So 25 years is important on that. Now, the second one is terminated with a buyout, okay? And that's another involuntary buyout, right? This isn't something where you offer to take, right? So you will relinquish your job rights, and that's an important thing, is the relinquishing of the job rights. And then regardless of the payout, so sometimes you get monthly, or you might get a lump sum payment. But what's going to happen is you're not going to get credible railroad service by the Railroad Retirement Board, right? So once you get that money, even if they say, oh, I'll pay you out for the next year, that's not going to grow your annuity. So watch your, those railroaders that need that maybe extra 12 months to get to 30 years say, oh, well, I got paid out for that last year. No, you didn't get railroad service for that. So that's very, very important. And then finally, the last one is the buyout with job rights, called dismissal allowance. So you retain your right for a period certain. So they'll say, okay, we'll pay you out for a year and you keep your job rights. So see how that's important? Because that's going to get recognized by the Railroad Retirement Board, and you're going to get credit for every month that you're working. Even if you get a lump sum, the railroad will still give you a period certain of job rights. And so that grows that annuity. That's very, very important stuff. So railroaders, feel free to reach out to me. For those thinking near retirement, go through my Boarding for Railroad retirement process. If you need to discuss some of these options as you near your retirement, I can help walk you through some of this stuff. All right. So, and also anybody just who's concerned about this, just shoot it in your question and I'll get back to you. So I hope you found this video helpful. And until next time, everybody, please stay safe, stay on track, take care. So long, everybody. Bye.